Ever gone out to your garden to harvest a beautiful ripe tomato, only to find it ruined by bird pecks? It's incredibly frustrating. But before you go buying expensive netting or plastic owls, there is a much simpler, cheaper, and completely natural fix you can try today. Here is the big secret. Most of the time, birds aren't actually eating your fruit because they're hungry. They're doing it because they are thirsty. When temperatures rise and natural puddles dry up, juicy fruits like berries and tomatoes become the ultimate hydration packs. By simply placing a few shallow bowls of water around your garden, you change the entire game. First, it's the path of least resistance. Pecking through tough fruit skin for a few drops of juice takes work. A clear bowl of fresh water is way easier. Second, it turns destructive pests into helpful partners. Once the birds get their drink, they don't just fly away, they stick around to hunt for the actual pests you don't want, like caterpillars, beetles, and hornworms. You're trading a little water for free pest control. To make this work flawlessly, place the water bowls a short distance away from your most vulnerable plants so you aren't drawing a crowd directly into the fruit bushes. Just remember to dump and refresh the water every couple of days to keep it clean and prevent mosquitoes. Try it out, save your harvest, and happy gardening.